Intuition is the gift from Allah that awakens within us an understanding that somehow we were somewhere and we are not there now. And that somewhere is better than where we are, and we want to get to it. So intuition is a gift from Allah saying, look, don't you remember how you used to be when you were in a state of perfection? That state that Allah took from its own light and created. Don't you remember when you were light itself? And this intuition is a gift, barakah from Allah, fortunate is the person who has this kind of inspiration and intuition that there is a knowing, but I can't quite grasp it. So I'm going to put myself on a path that will lead me to a more clearer understanding of what that intuition is leading to.